Hey everyone, today we're diving into the world of eBay selling. Whether you're looking to turn $100 into a profitable venture or start a full-time business, eBay is a fantastic platform to consider. So grab your iced coffee, smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm, and let's get started. First things first, you need to decide what type of seller you want to be. There are several types of eBay sellers, from those who find treasures in thrift shops to dropshippers who never touch the products they sell. Each method has its own pros and cons, so take some time to research and figure out which one suits you best. If your budget is limited, consider starting with a very cheap item or dropshipping. Selling items as cheap as $2 to $3 allows you to test multiple items and buy enough stock with just $100. And with dropshipping, you don't even need to invest in stock at all. Once you've decided on your selling strategy, it's time to sign up for an eBay account. Make sure to use your real details here, as eBay will verify your identity with a soft credit check. This is a crucial step, and it's important to get it right. I know it might seem scary to get your information out there, especially your personal information, but trust me, it's necessary to establish your credibility on the platform. So let me show you how to open up an eBay account. This is pretty easy. All you have to do is jump into eBay and select register at the top left corner. Once in the register page, you will be asked if this is a personal or a business account. At this point, it doesn't matter what you choose. Then you will provide eBay with your information and select create an account and follow the next steps. Now, let's talk about the two most important things you need to focus on as a new eBay seller: increasing your selling limit and boosting your feedback score. How do we do that? eBay places a limit on how many items new sellers can list, but don't worry, you can request an increase every month. After you have completely utilized your current limit, then it becomes easy to increase limits further. Don't hesitate to call eBay and request an increase in your selling limit. If your request is denied, don't give up. Keep trying. After 3 to 5 attempts, you'll likely succeed. Remember, this is part of the game, and it is a crucial step in growing your eBay business. As for your feedback score, it's the first thing customers see when they visit your store, so you want it to be as high as possible. A good way to increase your feedback score is by buying cheap items or digital items that don't need to be shipped. Up next, product selection. This is where the magic happens, folks. You need to find winning products. Something that's evergreen, has repeat purchase value, is lightweight and small, offers 50% return on investment, and has a low defect rate. And remember, knowledge is power. If you know more about a product that you're selling more than the average person, you'll have a competitive edge when it comes to marketing it. To help you find these winning products, consider using product research tools like Zeek Analytics. Zeek Analytics offers a $1 trial, making it cost-effective to start your product research. These tools provide valuable insight into what's selling well and can help you make informed decisions about what to list. Now, let's dive into my computer and I'll show you exactly how Zeek Analytics works. First of all, you can customize the Market Insights dashboard to align with your sales channel and business model, delivering the ideal data for your wholesale or dropshipping business. So for example, we have the options here. If you're selling on eBay.com, Germany, France, or UK, then you choose your business model: dropshipping, arbitrage, wholesale, reseller, or brand owner. And then we're sourcing products from Amazon, AliExpress, or Walmart. So for instance, as an eBay dropshipper, you simply select your preferred supplier right here. You have these options and Market Insights that will showcase winning products and competitors tailored to that specific supplier choice. So let's go with AliExpress, for example. After setting the seller preferences, the trending product section, which is the one right here, this will display the top selling products from the past 7 days to 30 days, including potential profit margins. So with just a single click, you can easily locate these items on your chosen supplier's platform. In this case, we're looking on AliExpress, so we have the photo, we have the title, we have the total competitors, how many sales it had in the last 30 days, the total items that were sold, and this information is from the past 30 days. With a simple click here on the item finder, you will find the same product or similar products on AliExpress. Note that I said 7 to 30 days because it depends on the supplier that you're sourcing from. So for example, on Amazon, you have basically the same information, but it's from the last 7 days. And you also have a profit margin. And Walmart, same thing. You have the same thing with a simple click. You'll find this product, same or similar product, on the supplier's website. We also have a section on trending eBay niches in the last 30 days. So all the hot niches on eBay in the last 30 days are here, and you can click on them. You can click on it by opening a new tab and so on, and start your research from there. Now, the trending section is ideal for users seeking for high demand niches, whether for private label or other business models, because it automatically displays the top performing niches right here from the last 30 days to boost your success rate. Now, the most powerful way to dominate is to know your competitors. So it's always good to learn from the competitors. And right here, you have the trending dropshippers or trending competitors. You also have the option to change from wholesale to trendy eBay sellers. But for now, we're just looking for the top dropshippers. So the trending competitor section is a list of successful sellers or dropshippers with outstanding performance in the last 30 days. And identifying these trending competitors can rapidly assist you in discovering winning products, inspiring niche ideas, and so on. It's all here right for you. And the final feature within the Market Insights is the e-commerce calendar, which compiles all the top e-commerce holidays and seasons. Along with product ideas, you also have the option to browse through and find similar products to list in your store, making seasonal planning an easy game. And now here it shows what holidays are coming up. It gives you the trending keywords for autumn and winter preparation, like portable heater, blanket, throw, scarves, winter jacket, and so on. And then you also have the option to browse the calendar and play with it a bit to show specific icons on specific days. You can always choose a location. Here you have the UK and the United States for upcoming events. When you choose your location, Zeek provides you with all the upcoming events and the number of days you have up until the event to prepare your store. Again, you have keywords that are trending for these particular holidays as well. So as you can see, this is an amazing feature. Then here at the top, you have shortcuts for all the Zeek Pro tools, such as the bulk scanner, 500 best-selling items on eBay, turbo scanner, and the autopilot. I will immediately jump into the product research tool of Zeek Analytics so we can see how it works. Here you can type in any product or niche keywords that you want to explore. Let's say I'm interested in discovering the demand and competition in the sunglasses niche. So that's what I'm going to type in, and I'm going to go ahead and click the search bar. Now, while it loads, Zeek pulls the best match results from eBay and analyzes the transactions and competitors, preparing for us this very report that will unfold the real potential of this niche. As you can see, the revenue under this search term is over 80K. Total of 4,603 sold items and 90.91 success rate. You can see the market share pie and the sales trend chart, and this way you can just understand the trend and how competitive this niche is. Now, when scrolling down, you can see the list of the top performing listings and the competitors that are selling them. Let's take a look at this seller. He is selling so many interesting items and generating $12,000 in revenue. Now what you can do is use the item finder to find products from Alibaba, AliExpress, Amazon, or Walmart if you like to source it from any of these suppliers. But for this example, let's see what items I can find on Alibaba. So let's take a look at this item here. It looks like just a pet fur remover. And then we're going to go ahead and click on this item finder for Alibaba. Wow, it actually looks like it's a 100% match. Well done. Lots of sellers use the competitor research tool to spot winning products and then go and bring similar items. It is one of the most effective strategies for finding top selling profitable products. Now, once you've found your winning product, it's time to list it. Crafting a compelling title is crucial. Your title should be descriptive, rich with relevant keywords, and it should capture the essence of what you're selling. Zeek Analytics can be a game changer here as well. It has a fantastic title builder feature that can help you create winning titles quickly and efficiently. Also, take clear, high-quality photos from multiple angles and be honest in your description. If there are any flaws, make sure to mention them. Transparency is key to building trust with your customers. Decide whether you want to list your item as an auction or a buy it now. Now, let's switch over to my screen and I'll show you exactly how to use Zeek Analytics Title Builder to create compelling listings. Stay tuned. So once you find a product, you want to make sure to use the best title to get maximum traffic. Let's take this iPhone cover as the example. Now, if this is the product we want to sell, we first need to look at our competitors' titles and see what keywords they use. Then copy the keywords that define the actual product into the title builder search results and go ahead and hit the search button. Now you can see all of the stats that are long tail keywords people are searching for and how many sales each of these terms generate. You can even see competition and then go for keywords with high sales and low competition. So we can go ahead and build this title together. So what you do from here is you just take the main keywords, let's say the title from your competitor, and then you will just go ahead and remove all unnecessary keywords. Now I will look for high demand, low competition keywords, and I will just go ahead and click on it to add it to my title. Now it's enough to add maybe 1 to 2 keywords and it will make a massive difference. Okay, so as for sourcing your products, there are many places you can find items to sell on eBay. If you're just starting out and your budget is tight, begin by looking around your home for items you no longer use. You'd be surprised at what people are willing to buy. You can also ask family and friends if they have anything they'd like to get rid of, or visit garage sales and thrift stores for hidden gems. If you're considering the dropshipping model, there are several reliable suppliers you can use, such as Amazon, AliExpress, and Walmart. These platforms offer a wide range of products that you can list in your eBay store without having to handle inventory yourself. On top of that, Amazon and Walmart provide free and fast shipping under their membership. It is free for the first month. Remember, the key here is to find a product that's in demand, offers good profit margin, and aligns with your interests and expertise. Happy hunting! Shipping is another crucial aspect of selling on eBay. Make sure you have the necessary shipping supplies on hand and be clear about your handling time. Also, mention your shipping location and return policy. If using products from Amazon and Walmart, specifically FBA and WFS, then you can offer them 30 days free return. This will definitely help the buyer to make a quick decision. It's important to ship your items promptly and ensure they are well packaged to avoid damaged items during transportation. Also, provide your customer with a tracking ID in order to avoid any dispute in the future. Remember, customer satisfaction is key. So you want to ensure your items arrive in a timely manner and in good condition. Finally, let's talk about eBay fees and stores. There are insertion fees and final value fees to consider, and you might want to think about opening an eBay store for additional perks and discounts. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to getting started on eBay. Remember, this is just the beginning. There's a lot more to learn, so keep researching and don't be afraid to ask questions. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.